Yo, check it out. Look what I finally got my hands on. The Just Eggs from the company called Just For All. So I've been trying to find this literally for like the last 2 months, yo. And I couldn't find it anywhere. I checked their website trying to see the locations that they have it at. I didn't see it nowhere. And last night I was coming in from the gym and I stopped at Jewel to grab like some almond milk and a few other items. And then I went over to like the egg section. I was like, let me see if they got those Follow Your Heart eggs, because I bought them a while back but I never made them. And I didn't see those. And I just looked up for whatever reason, and randomly by itself was like this one bottle. It's like the last one on the shelf. I snatched it so fast, yo. So we about to try it out. So it's made from mung beans or Mogul beans. I don't know how you say that, but that's why it's able to scramble the way that it scrambles to make it look like eggs, from what I've heard. The facts, the macros. 45 calories per serving. What are carbs? 0 carbs. No carbs. 2.5 fats per serving and 5 grams of protein per serving. So it's pretty decent. And the serving size is 3 tablespoons, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna probably take down about half this bottle right now. So yeah, we about to try it out. We'll go over to the kitchen and get it cracking. I got some baby bella mushrooms. I already sliced those up into a container. Obviously the Just Eggs. Then we got some sliced up red onions. And then I'm gonna be adding some avocado. And then on the side, I'm gonna have some Chipotle style seitan from Sweet Earth Foods. This is like the best one. Well, this one and Upton's Natural Foods, I like them too. But I think they like only in Chicago and the Chicago land. Maybe you can order from their website if you check it out. So I'm gonna start off with a little vegan butter. I usually use coconut oil, but I'm gonna do what I want. So first I'm gonna add the sliced onions. That's about 48 grams of sliced onions right there. It got a little avocado on there too, if you see like some green stuff. I had it in the container with the avocado. Quick tip is that red onions will keep your avocado fresh if you keep it in the same container when you don't use it also. Y'all can have that for free. Next I'm gonna add 42 grams of sliced mushrooms. So I decided to go ahead and make the seitan next as opposed to the eggs. I don't know why I didn't show it. I'm still getting used to shooting videos and recording everything, so y'all gotta bear with me. And don't ask why I'm slicing this in the skillet. I have no idea. Sometimes I do random stuff. See, this is why I usually do pictures, so y'all can see the crazy stuff that I do. So I'm just slicing these up right now into smaller pieces, just to make it a little bit more appealing to the eye, because I don't really care, but you know how some people be picky. Oh, that's too big for me. Or that's too, that's what she said and stuff. So, alright, so I just had hella difficulties with the Sims card, trying to get the footage off. Back to it. So basically, I got the Chipotle style seitan, and what am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. That was frustrating. So I'm about to just pour this on the plate, and then from there, we're about to make the Just Eggs. Alright, so we're about to weigh it out first. Gotta stay on top of those calories and macros. About 120. There we go. So that's about half the bottle. I lied. We're gonna do 160. Lied again. We're going 200. 200 grams. So these literally scramble just like regular eggs. It's pretty legit. Check it out. So here's the final product. We got some avocado on the side with some Chipotle seitan. Here's the box again for that. Everything is out of focus, yo. And then we got the Just Eggs, man. This literally looks just like eggs. So we got the mushrooms in there, and then we got some red onions. We're about to try this out right now. Yo. Oh, these eggs. These some eggs. That is amazing. Oh man. This is delicious. This is definitely going on a weekly grocery list. So when I first went vegan, I did a 14-day vegan challenge. And I used to own a gym in Lombard, Illinois. I was co-owner with a partner. And eggs was like literally one of my favorite foods. We'll close up the gym, I'll come in like at midnight and just make a skillet full of eggs. Like it was like one of my go-to foods. And so when I went vegan, I like had to drop them cold turkey, obviously. But this was the only thing that I felt like I would miss. And I got it now. Like this is definitely going on my weekly grocery list. These are perfect, yo. Especially if you're someone that like really like eggs and stuff like that. Even if you're not vegan, like try these out. These are legit. These some eggs. So I definitely recommend these, yo. I'm gonna put a link to the recipe, how I made mine below. I'll make a whole blog post on it. And also if you need some more plant-based nutrition information, you want like 20 plus recipes, check out the Built by Plants Nutrition Guide. It'll be a link to that below too. And yeah, man, give these Just Eggs a try. Peace.